Okay, I'm Cody, and there's Sean, my happy sister. And then there's Preston, he got first place. Yeah. Great job. Yeah, I got. I'm good. Maybe at the end of this video, we might be interviewing Frank Flood. Here, I'm going to ask Julie how he feels about the race. How do you feel? Alright, how'd you do in the race? Well, that was Julie Harris. Now we might be going to let me see her. Hey, there's Julie Harris right there. He's on the ball. That's Julie Harris hitting the ball. A-class is out.
Number 3 is the seat Ray Bars is a 717 car alongside Wicker is the 3. 2 is the 79C is Matt Taylor outside the SQ8 car. Cannon is back in the 3 on the inside, the 288 Brad Bez. The outside of him, number 12 driver, 628 Which car is he?
Number 3 car is your giveaway. You're on the racetrack. that we can